Joe here with the RideShare Guy, and today we're going to discuss 20 items and apps that I use while driving rideshare. Really quickly, if you have yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link will be in the description. Alright, so let's just jump right into it. First is my car. It's a 2021 Kia K5 GT line with about 44,000 miles. I'm also currently getting about 36 miles per gallon. I bought this vehicle late last year. It's my second vehicle in my just over 10 years of driving rideshare. My previous vehicle was a Kia Optima, and that lasted me 10 years. I got over 250,000 miles out of that vehicle, and the K5 is a continuation of the Optima line, so I wanted to just stick with Kia and stick with that line. I just think it's a really sharp car. It caught my eye on the road, and when I was looking for vehicles, this one was at the top of my list. Alright, the second item, my phone. I have a 128 gigabyte iPhone 12 Pro Max. I've owned this phone for about 3.5 years. It works great. It still works great. I've actually owned iPhones since the original iPhone back in 2007. I've probably owned maybe a half a dozen iPhones. This iPhone in particular is actually the longest I've kept an iPhone without upgrading. It still works great. It has a nice big screen, and the 128 gigabytes is plenty of space. Alright, next is my phone case. It's a Spigen case with a metal insert. I just put that metal insert inside the case, and then I'm able to mount the phone using a magnetic mount. I've owned Spigen cases with my last 3 iPhones, and I just use that same metal piece inside of each of those cases to mount the phone. Alright, next is my phone mount. This one in particular isn't sold on Amazon anymore. It's a magnetic extender vent mount, and I have to use this in my new car because my previous Spigen magnetic mount won't work great in my car where I want to mount it. But here's my Spigen magnetic vent mount that I used to use in my previous car, and I loved it. And also, I just keep my phone plugged in at all times using the cable that it came with originally. Alright, next is my dash cam. It's a Blue Sky C B2W, which I've owned for almost 5 years now. It's a dual camera dash cam. Both cameras shoot in 1080p, and we recommend that all drivers have dash cams. This one in particular isn't currently available on Amazon, but we do recommend the Vanshu N2 Pro, which is a comparable camera, and that is available on Amazon. Alright, next are my earbuds. They're Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. I usually just use the left earbud to listen to podcasts or music if my passengers don't want to engage in conversation. I love these earbuds. I love the rose gold color of them. I'm not a big fan of Apple AirPods, so I love these as an alternative. Alright, next are my Cagliati polarized aviator sunglasses. I really like these. They're lightweight, they're not too dark, the polarization helps with glare, and they're affordable. I got them for $15 on Amazon. Alright, next is my water bottle. It's an Awala 24-ounce insulated water bottle. And I love this water bottle in particular because it has a straw and I don't have to be tipping it while I'm driving. Alright, next is my Vive lumbar pillow. It's nice to have this pillow throughout the day. I drive long days on Mondays and Tuesdays, sometimes 10 to 11 hours, and I'll just move this pillow up and down my back area throughout the day if I need to, or I'll just put it at the base of my seat. Alright, next is my California car duster. I've owned this for like 10 years now. It's a small grate duster, and there will be times where I'm just stopped at a stoplight or waiting for a passenger, and I'll just pull it out and dust my car with it. Alright, next is some air freshener. I use the Febreze April Fresh scent. Air freshener is just a great thing to have. There will be times where passengers smell of booze or cigarettes or marijuana. Some passengers just might have some BO. I don't spray the air freshener all the time, but especially after those passengers, I will spray the air freshener, and I will lower all my windows and let all that air circulate out of there. Alright, next item is a lint roller. All drivers should have lint rollers. I learned that early on in my rideshare experience. There was a time when I originally started rideshare where a passenger brought a dog along. The dog got a lot of hair on my seats. It was really annoying, and of course a passenger should be respectful and bring like a blanket or something if they are going to bring a dog. But after that, there was a Walgreens nearby. I just went to the Walgreens, got a lint roller, and have had it ever since. Alright, the next item is a black towel. It's just good to have a towel for any cleanup that you may need to do after a passenger gets in your vehicle. Some passengers may spill water. Some passengers may be coming in from the rain and have an umbrella or something and get that water all over. This just happened to me a few weeks ago, and I'm glad that I have my towel. Alright, next item are my Kirkland wipes. I just get these from Costco, and these are just great to have if you ever need to do a quick cleanup when you're not at home. I also use these to wipe my hands sometimes if I'm ever putting luggage into my trunk and have to touch my trunk. Sometimes my hands get dirty. Alright, next are my Armor All leather care wipes. I have leather interior in my vehicle, and I want to use the proper wipes to clean, so I have these leather wipes. Alright, the next item are my Feuder touchscreen winter gloves. My wife actually recently got these for me for Christmas last year. I have gone through probably 4 pair of winter touchscreen gloves. These ones are the best I've owned. They're really grippy. I like the touch. Alright, next is my car wash pass. I pay $25 a month for unlimited car washes. We have a local gas station chain here called Holiday Gas Stations. They're located everywhere. I have a sticker on my windshield and I can drive to any of those gas stations and get a car wash. Alright, so those are all of the items. Lastly, here are some of the apps that I use. I use Google Maps for navigation. In my opinion, it's the best navigation app. I have tried Waze, I have tried Apple Maps, but I always gravitate back towards Google Maps. Also for listening to podcasts, I use the Overcast app. I really like the functionality of this app. And lastly, for music, I use the YouTube Music app. I subscribe to YouTube Premium, and YouTube Music is an add-on to that subscription. Alright, so that's everything, 20 items and apps. If you're interested in any of these items, there will be links for some of the items in the description. Also, what about you guys? What kind of setups do you have? We're having a contest to critique setups, and if you want to send your setup for that contest, you can send it to Sergio at therideshareguy.com. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you earn more and manage your rideshare business, our referral link will be in the description. We also have a free weekly newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. Also, if you've yet to check out my previous video on addressing annoying commenters on the channel, be sure to check that out. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.